Welcome to Review Rumble. The best 26 by 1.95 tires is probably one of the most versatile tire sizes out there, perfect for a wide range of bikes and riding styles. Whether you're cruising around town, hitting the trails, or just looking for a reliable set of tires for your daily commute, this video will break down everything you need to know. We'll explore the key features, performance characteristics, and what makes these tires stand out from the competition. Number 5. Schwinn 26 Mountain Bike Tire. This Schwinn tire is designed for off-road adventures. It's built to handle tough terrains, ensuring a smooth and safe ride for you. This tire is compatible with 26-inch diameter wheels, fitting internal rim widths from 19mm to 29mm. It's the perfect fit for your mountain bike. With its 26 by 1.95-inch size, this tire is ready for the trails. The wide, blocky knobs provide excellent grip on loose and rocky surfaces, giving you confidence. The outer knobs extend beyond the tire's edge, protecting the sidewalls from damage. This feature ensures the tire's durability and longevity. Built with a durable steel bead, this tire is made to last. It has a recommended PSI range of 40 to 65, ensuring optimal performance. What we like. This tire features a high-traction tread, perfect for tackling loose or rocky terrains. The steel bead construction adds durability, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of off-road riding. If you're looking for a reliable tire to conquer challenging trails, this is the one for you. What people say. The tires have a nice tread pattern. The tires are a good value. They are a good replacement for the original tires. Number 4. SEK 26-inch bike tubes and tire levers. Introducing the SEK 26-inch bike tubes, designed for a smooth ride. This pack includes 2 tubes and 2 tire levers, everything you need for quick fixes. With this purchase, you'll receive a set of 2 26-inch bike tubes and 2 tire levers. The included levers make it easy to remove your old tube when replacing it. These tubes are designed to fit 26-inch wheels with tire widths ranging from 1.75 to 2.125 inches. Make sure to check your tire size before you buy, to ensure a perfect fit. Made from high-quality butyl rubber, this tube offers excellent air tightness and heat resistance. This durable material ensures that it can withstand the rigors of the road. The tubes are sized at 26 by 1.75 to 2.125 inches and feature a 32mm Schrader valve with a removable core. This makes it easy to inflate and maintain. What we like. This package includes 2 tubes and tire levers, making installation and repair a breeze. Made from durable butyl rubber, it offers excellent air tightness and heat resistance. If you are a beginner or someone who values convenience and ease of maintenance, this is a great choice. What people say. Absolutely easy to install and very durable. Using these tubes and some online video tutorials, I was able to fix my bike tires. It had everything I needed to replace both tire tubes. We ride every day in the neighborhood hood and these are good tires. Number 3. Stop-A-Flat 26 by 1.95 puncture-proof bicycle inner tube. Tired of flat tires? This product is designed to eliminate that problem. It's a revolutionary inner tube that will change the way you ride. This Stop-A-Flat is size 26 by 1.95, ETRTO 50 to 559, and fits rims 20mm wide, with a 1mm tolerance. Be sure to check the size chart to ensure a perfect fit for your bike. Stop wasting money on replacement tubes. With this product, you won't need to change an inner tube again. It will save you money and time in the long run. This product isn't just for bikes. It's versatile and can be used in trailers, joggers, strollers, and more. It's a great solution for many wheeled vehicles. Made from durable EVA foam, this product is safe and resilient. The closed-cell construction makes it lightweight and waterproof. You can trust it to last. Please note that this product is not compatible with Raleigh or Schwinn bicycles made before 1980. Make sure it fits your bike before purchasing. What we like. This inner tube insert is designed to be puncture-proof, saving you money and time on replacements. It's made from durable EVA foam and can be used in various wheeled vehicles. If you're tired of flat tires and want a long-term solution, consider this. What people say. The tires are great for the price. The tires are very good for the road and have a good grip. The tires are very durable and have a good tread. Number 2. Fincci 26x1.95 bike tire, Slick City. These tires are designed with a slick tread and 30 TPI casing, which significantly reduces rolling resistance. This makes the ride incredibly smooth and quiet, perfect for city bikes and road bikes. The tires are foldable and feature a Kevlar bead and rubber compound. This design provides excellent flexibility and road grip, ensuring a safe and comfortable ride during your daily commutes or weekend fitness activities. They conform to ETRTO 50 to 559 26x1.95 bike tire standards. This means it fits most 26-inch bike wheels, including hybrid and mountain bikes, suitable for both men and women. Each tire weighs only 630 g, designed for speed and handling on pavement. This lightweight design enhances performance, making it great for road bike training setups. The tires fit mountain bike wheels and 26-inch electric bike frames. They are also compatible with bike trainer stands and setups using standard MTB accessories. What we like. This tire features a slick tread and Kevlar bead for a smooth and fast ride. Its lightweight design enhances speed and handling on pavement. If you like riding on city roads or paved trails and want a fast and efficient tire, this is perfect for you. What people say. The tires are a great value for the price. They have a nice tread pattern that provides good grip. The tires are easy to install. Number 1. Vitog Bike Tube 26x1.95 with Repair Kit. This 26-inch bike tube with a 32mm Schrader valve is designed to fit tire widths from 1.75 to 2.125 inches. It's perfect for road bikes, mountain bikes, and even electric bikes, ensuring a secure and versatile fit. Made from thick butyl rubber, this inner tube has a 1.12mm sidewall, which is thicker than standard. This design enhances puncture resistance and air tightness, making it durable and reliable for various conditions. The package comes with 2 bike inner tubes, 2 tire levers, a rasp, and 6 glue-free tire patches. These tools make it easy to fix flat tires without damaging your rims, providing everything you need for quick repairs. Replacing the tube is quick and easy with the included tire levers. Even beginners can manage it in minutes. The self-adhesive patches simplify on-the-spot repairs, making tire maintenance a breeze. The butyl rubber absorbs shocks, providing a smooth and safe ride. Its excellent elasticity and stable air pressure retention enhance driving comfort, making it ideal for daily commutes and outdoor adventures. What we like. This tube comes with a complete repair kit, including tire levers and patches, for easy on-the-go fixes. It's made from thick butyl rubber for enhanced puncture resistance and air tightness. If you value convenience and want a reliable tube with all the necessary tools, you should consider this. What people say. The tires are a great value for the price. They have good traction on both pavement and trails. The tires are easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.